from overnight, a serious crash in Washington County.
Flight for Life was called to the scene after a dump truck hit a bridge in Germantown. Tim is at the breaking news desk with some new information.
Well, Tony and Melinda, Germantown police say the dump truck driver failed to lower that cargo portion of the vehicle. It was still up after he unloaded some asphalt. That extended piece of that truck slammed into an overpass as he was trying to drive underneath. The truck then rolled onto its side. Firefighters had to remove the driver from that mangled debris. He was later flown to the hospital by Flight for Life. We're told, though, the victim's injuries are not life-threatening this morning. No one else was hurt in this incident. All northbound lanes of I-41 and US 45 were shut down for several hours as crews worked to clear that area, but everything is back to normal this morning.